My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Taqw. Taqw is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. You try to open the specific file, and here is the message that you get. Windows can't open this type of file with this Taqw additionally appended extension. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, remember that paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data recovered. So do not waste the money, do not pay that ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this goal. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after the program gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button. Well, most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the data. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. However, Combo Cleaner is powerful to detect and to remove this ransomware and to protect the files in the future. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. You can always request for the free trial, and this way you will be able to effectively remove this horrible ransomware. Please also find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.